Good everyone. I noticed some updates. There was a pop-up when I opened my Figma. The Figma has been updated, and I want to like there are 32 features that have been added. Some are just some are adjusted, but there's one particular one I noticed that is new about it. I want to show it to you guys. And this uh, update is something you might have come across while using some apps. So this update is about list of things that have headings. So while you're scrolling through out the list of categories, you realize that the headings of the list stick above other lists, showing you are still under a particular list. While the list is finished, the list heading also scrolled up, and another heading replaces it. So also, and so on. So I want to show you how it is done on Figma, and this is a very nice and very important um, feature. And this feature here, I have uh, list of things. This is from the app I'm currently designing. So this is from the app I'm currently. This is about hostel. So when you view an hostel, you see the hostel building, the rooms, the categories of rooms inside the hostel, then the feature inside each of the rooms. Then you have features inside the hostel, in the hostel itself, the hostel building. Then we have the miscellaneous features in the hostel or of the hostels. So I will use this design to implement what I'm actually talking about. So now to do that, we have to do that in prototype panel. We'll go to prototype panel. So these are the thing we want to apply it on. So, but before that, I'll select everything on the list. I'll select it. I'll select everything, and I'll press uh, Ctrl Alt G to put everything in a frame, and I'll reduce the size of the frame, the height of the frame to 554 to 554, and I can actually adjust it when I place inside the main screen. So I have placed inside the frame. Now I want to make this frame scrollable so that when users scroll throughout the frame, so the item that are hidden will be showing while scrolling. So I'll come to scroll behavior and I'll put it to vertical. Then after that, we have elements inside it. These elements are what will be scrolling in this frame. So I'll select them one after the other. I'll select those things, those headings. I'll select them. So I think I have about 4 to 5 headings here. So those 4 headings that I have, I'll go to my prototype panel and I go to overflow, where we have scroll behavior, overflow, position. So I'll put position to sticky at the top of the page. Initially, it will be on scrolling or scroll with parent. So we also have fix in place. So if you don't want it to scroll at all, it will be fixed on the place. But this will be fixed to the top of the page. So as you're scrolling, this will be sticked to the top of the frame. This frame that we have just adjusted to 554 in height. So that is done. I'll hide the content. I'll clip the content. Then I'll move this frame into the main mobile screen. This is iPhone 14 Pro Max. Then I'll adjust it to horizontally align it to the inside the frame. So the space between it and So this space between this and this, so I'll make it 24 pixel. Then maybe I'll need to expand this a little bit, this frame. So that is that. Now add the starting flow to the frame, and I'll play it. So here is it. So as user scroll through it, you see these ticks at the top of the page telling us we are on the room view. As we scroll, this will replace feature in the rooms. So feature in the hostel will replace. Then also the miscellaneous features will also stick. So that's that. And if you scroll down, the same thing will happen. So this is a very nice feature that has been added to Figma. Figma is actually improving, and I love that. So you can try that in your project whenever you uh, like. And thank you for your time. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you very much.